Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to resolve this problem, operating system not found. In other cases, some other computer may show bootable device not found. So what happens here, in case you don't have an hard drive in the computer, it may happen to come like this. In case your BIOS system has been tampered with, it will also create this error. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to power off the computer. Then I'll try to go to the boot menu to see whether we have the drive itself. So I'll click escape, and this is a Sony Vaio laptop. Still, we don't have anything to do with the, as you can see, we don't have anything to do with the hard drive. So what I'm going to do here, very simple. I'm going to click Ctrl-Alt-Delete to restart the computer. Then I'll click F2 to go to the BIOS system. So all the issues we have here, they are in the BIOS system. Maybe you tampered with the boot priorities. So I want you to go ahead and go to boot this side here. You go to boot, then you click the arrow. So you have to make sure. So in the boot menu, this is what we have in the boot priorities side. So we have the devices that are allowed to boot and also devices that are excluded. We happen to have our internal hard drive being excluded from booting. This is the problem we are getting. So to resolve this problem, you have to go ahead and click X. As you can see here, X will exclude the file. So I'm going to go and click the down arrow key and go down to the exclude. Then I'll click X, and this will bring it down here, as you can see. So when it brings it down, when it brings it here, I'm going to go ahead and click space, then to bring it up on top so that the hard drive goes fast in the process of booting it. So we have our hard drive here, and what I'm going to do next here, I'm going to go ahead and click F10, and this will bring this prompt. Then you click enter to save changes. Then the computer will reboot. When the computer reboots, it will go ahead and load the Windows files. As you are going to see, the error won't come back again, and this is how you resolve this issue. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and share this video so that we can reach very many people. So thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.